First thing is done. Now I wanted to apply the second condition. So what is the second? Here it is asking for criteria range 2. Range means a group of cells. Range means a group of cells, whether it is horizontally or vertically. So now I am selecting this one. Okay, comma. In this range, what criteria I need? Suppose let me consider as chairs. 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 So now I selected the total sales. Okay, I wanted to sum the total sales when these two conditions applies. What is the first condition? In Q to Q, it should be furniture. That is the first condition. In R to R, it should be chairs. So now I'm selecting in furniture chairs. What is the total sales? So I'll just press enter. This is the total sales in furniture. These are total sales in furniture, in chairs, in furniture category and subcategories chairs. So team, did you understand this one? Sum ifs. So first we have to give the sum range. Which one we have to do the sum? So this one I have to sum. Sum range means a group of cells. So I have selected a group of cells range T is to T. Entire range I have selected. Then condition range we have to give. So which is criteria range. In criteria range I have selected as criteria as furniture. This entire furniture, and in this entire range I have selected. In this range, furniture is the category I required, so I've inputted in criteria as furniture. Okay, again criteria range 2, which is R to R. Okay, and criteria, which is in this chairs I require. So team, did you understand this one, please?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hello.
please tell me. Yeah.
సార్ మేము మనం కనుక్కోవాల్సింది ఫర్నిచరే కదా సార్, మళ్ళీ చేసింది కనుక్కున్నాం సార్.
So furniture is one criteria. Furniture is only one criteria we have selected, where we can do that in first with the help of sum if only. With the help of sum if formula we can do.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
With the help of sum if formula we can do. But if you have multiple conditions, so suppose if I select furniture here, so in furniture there are so many categories, subcategories. We have bookcases, we have chairs, tables, furnishings. We have so many. But I wanted to see in furnitures, chairs, what is the total sales? In furniture, first furniture is the first filtering. This is the second filter, which is chairs. Chairs is the second filter. So then what is the total sales? What is the total sales? Okay, so I can apply one more filter now. In this, let me select the region. In south region, in furniture and in chairs, what is the total sales? Only in south region I wanted to find. So what will I do at the time? So I'll just go here. I'll add one more filter here. I'll remove the criteria range 3. It is asking. Range means a group of cells. So I'll just go here to region. Just press F4 or just leave it is for now. Okay, and what is the condition here? South. So this is the third filter I have applied. So I'm telling, so we can apply as many filters as we require. So if you see here, let us check manually first. The region is south, right? The region is south. And what condition we have applied in category? Furniture. And what is the subcategory we have applied? Chairs. So if you see what is the total sales, we have 45176. Okay, so similarly we got 45176 here. Okay, this is the condition. So what is the, can you please, shall we go with the syntax first? Equal to sum ifs. Sorry, directly we'll write as sum ifs. Sum ifs first, sum range, whichever we want to do the sum, we have to select that sum range. Range means a group of cells. So we are selecting the entire range. Sum range, comma, what is criteria range? criteria range 1. So we have to select the which is the criteria range 1. In that criteria range 1, in that group of cells, what is the criteria we are selecting? Next, criteria range 2, comma criteria 2, so and so on. So we can give a number of criteria up to 64. Okay, so this is sum ifs. So team, any doubt in this sum ifs? Sum means adding. Ifs means if we are giving multiple conditions, based on this condition we are asking to sum the data. Once the condition satisfies, we are asking to sum the data. Team, shall I repeat this one, or you are okay with this? Fine.
No, repeat.
Okay. So the sum ifs, the first is, what is the sum ifs means? Sum means adding, and ifs means we are giving conditions. So based on a condition, so let me go to the next sheet. So what is the segment wise profit? What is the segment wise profit? What is the, which state is giving highest sales I have to do, or else which region is the highest quantity? Manager wise sales discount, total sales. Okay. So team, what I'll do is, for the better understanding, I'll just go here. I have city here as state, so region. So I have the region here. In south region or central region, I have central region. In central region, I wanted to find the profit. I wanted to find the profit. What is the total profit in central region? So how do I find this one manually? Manually, how do I find? So I'll just apply a filter here. So region equal to central, I'll select. Only central is selected. So what is the total profit? How do I find? I'll go to profit. I'll just add up all the profit. So I can see 39706. So I cannot do it for all the cases, right? I cannot do it for all the cases one by one. So what I'll do, just I'll draw in a new sheet. I'll draw in a new sheet. So I copied the region wise. So I think it is visible for you now. So now I wanted to see the profit. So here in region, we have only 4 criteria, which is central, east, south and west. Central, east, south and west. So I wanted to find the profit for this one. Central, east, west, south. I wanted to find the profit. So if I go to this one, so first I have to write a sum ifs formula. What is the sum range? So team, 1 second, there is a disturbance from outside.
Bharat, voice is not audible.
You can't hear you now.
So now I'm audible.
Yes.
So sum ifs. So I wanted to find the profit, overall profit by each region wise. So which is sum range. What is the sum range I have here? Just I'll go to the order sheet. I have to do the profit sum. I'll just select the profit sum range. Okay, profit sum range, comma. Okay. Now what is the criteria range? Criteria range is, so I have done with this formula. So sum range, I'm done with this formula. Team, please go on mute. Malsudan, please go on mute. So now I wanted to find the region wise profit, where region wise profit means first sum range. Sum range means which is the one which we have to do the sum. So I have to do the profit sum. I wanted to do the profit sum. This one, profit sum I have to do. Next, what is the next one? Criteria range. Criteria range means which filter we have to give. So we have to give the filter for region. We have to give the filter for. You can follow the syntax here. You can follow the syntax here. Press F4. Okay. You can follow this. Next. So what is the criteria we have? What is the criteria we have? So I'll go to criteria. I'll select this south criteria I need. So for south region, I have the profit. So first we are selecting what is the sum range. Sum range means the entire profit, the profit range, and criteria range means this is the criteria range and this is the criteria. So for your better understanding, I'll write one more thing here. I'll take the smaller values instead of. I have the region and sales. I have the region and sales. Now I wanted to find in this what is the south region sales. What is the south region sales? South region sales means I cannot only just tell 26196, right? I cannot tell 26196. There are so many ones. South here. Here also I have south. Here also I have south. So I wanted to add the entire south region and I wanted to give the output. So for this, what I can do is, so here I have the south, west to central and this one. This is the sales. So equal to sum ifs of. So which one I have to sum? Which is the sum range here? Range means a group of cells. You have to remember, range means a group of cells. Sum range is this one. I wanted to add this entire thing. Okay, comma. Which is the criteria range here? Which is the criteria range? South range. I'm asking range, a group of cells. So this is a group of cells.
Region.
Yeah. And what is the criteria? Now I am asking what is the criteria we have. So criteria is south. So south. I can just type like this south, or else just I can select the south from here. Okay. So the total sales for south is this much. Similarly, I can do like this. I can copy paste. So now it is referring to east, it is referring to central, it is referring to this one. Okay. So east there is no profit. So I can just, if I type east, the profit will appear in east. Okay. So this is so what is the sales? What is the range? Sum range? So team, what is the sum range we have to give?
Sales, total sales.
Sum range should be
Complete sales.
sales or profit or quantity, whichever we wanted to add, we have to give in the sum range. What is criteria range? Criteria range is a filter range. Where we have to apply the filter, that range we have to select. And what is criteria? The filter name. What is the filter? What is the filter we have to apply in that? South is a filter. Filter criteria I have to apply. Okay. So team, did you get at least? Still confusing?
No.
No.
Okay. Now I'm done with this one. Now this is sum of sales. This is sales which I have done sum. Okay. Now I want to do the count. What is the total count? How many? See in south, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot count like this, right? Okay. So count. So just what is the total south count? How do I write this one? Equal to count ifs. First, for everything, don't use count if, sum if, and all. By default, you follow with the count ifs and sum ifs. Count ifs. So what is it is asking for? Team, Can you see my screen?
Criteria range.
Criteria range.
What is the criteria range? Here there is no sum range. We are not doing any sum. So there will not be any sum range. We are just going with the criteria range.
Region. Even.
Region.
Region.
Okay. This is the
Comma.
region.
South.
Comma. South.
South.
Criteria is south. So how many we have? South we have 5. We have west we have 11. Central 3 and east 1. So if you see here, east we have 1. If I go for central, if I see central, there are 3. And south we have 5. See, south we have 5. And west we have 11. Okay. So if I have multiple criteria again, so how do we go with multiple criteria? Furniture. So category. So which is furniture. Furniture. Office supplies. Office supplies. So now I am giving one more criteria. So this is for furniture, and this is for office supplies. This is for office supplies. So if you see for furniture, I have given one more criteria. So in what is the criteria? First criteria is south, it is fulfilled. The next criteria is furniture. I wanted to see in category what is the furniture. So how do I add? So criteria range 2. So what is the criteria range 2? What is the criteria range 2? So I wanted to see first in this I wanted to see
Category.
Category.
first filter is in the region is south. The second filter is in category furniture. Okay. So how can I go with this? Means just I have to select here. I wanted to apply one more condition. So criteria range 2. So criteria range 2 is category. In this, what category should I have? I should have furniture. I should have furniture. So in furniture, south we have 4, west we have 2, and east we have 1. Okay. Similarly for office supplies, we'll do equal to sum ifs, equal to count ifs. So in this region, what is this? This is the total region. What is the value? We need south. So in this criteria, second criteria range 2, what do we need? Office supplies.
Office supplies.
We need office supplies. So the same formula I copy pasted. So in office supplies in west region we have 9. So let us cross check this one. So in office supplies, right? Office supplies west region we have the count of 9. So which is correct. So team comfortable with this one, right? Count ifs and sum ifs.
Yes.
Okay. Next, average ifs. Average ifs. AVERAGEIFS. So I wanted to see what is the total average for south region, sales average. So how do we calculate the average? So suppose if we have the average calculation we have already done in the school times only 23, like 25 or 20. So what is the average for these 3? So equal to sum of, first we have to do all the sum divided by how many count? What is the total count?
3.
So I've selected the count. So sum will give the sum divided by count. Sum divided by count. The average is 22.66. So if I select here, you can see the average here 22.66. So this is how we calculate the average. So let us see average ifs condition, which is equal to average ifs. So team, for all the sum ifs, count ifs, sum, count, average, we are going to use in Power BI only one formula, which is a calculate, the most powerful formula. Okay. So if you learn this sum ifs, count ifs here, then it is very simple for you to work on calculate function in Power BI. So average ifs first, average ifs.